Today I'm cooking a nutritional Chinese-style watercress soup with chicken recipe for my family. This is sweet, healthy, and very delicious. This recipe is for 10 to 12 servings. The ingredients needed are 600 grams of chicken leg whole, 540 grams of watercress washed and clean, 5.5 liters of water, 170 grams of carrot cut into cubes, half tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 15 grams of goji berries, 25 grams of dry red dates, and 24 grams of dry scallops. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Start with blanching the chicken. Put about 1.5 liters of water in a pot. Add in the chicken, making sure that it is submerged in the water. Switch on the heat. Cover the pot and bring it to boil for about 10 minutes. This is to remove the blood and impurity from the chicken, which make our soup clear. While waiting for the chicken, cook the soup. Switch on the heat. Add in 4 liters of water in a large stock pot. Carrot cubes, washed red dates, salt, sesame oil, and the washed scallop. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 8 minutes, the water is boiling and the chicken has changed color to gray. Use a pair of tongs to flip the chicken and blanch it for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, the chicken has changed fully to gray and there is no trace of blood from it. This is perfect. Remove the chicken from the pot, switch off the heat and discard the water. Let's go back to the stock pot. Open the lid. See, the water is starting to warm up. Add in the blanched chicken and all the watercress. Lightly push them down in the water with the tongs. Cover the pot and bring it to boil. This will take about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the soup is starting to boil. Open the lid. Lightly stir the soup with the tongs. Now all the watercress is submerged in the soup. Cover the lid and reduce the heat to low. Simmer the soup in low heat for 2 hours. Stirring to rotate occasionally to ensure even cooking. After 2 hours, the gravy has reduced a lot, while the chicken has become really soft. The watercress is very soft as well. Let's give it a taste. Wow, it's really sweet. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Add in the goji berries, stirring to mix. Cover the pot and switch off the heat. Leave it to cool. It can be served right away after it is cooked or serve it slightly warm. Usually, only the gravy is served as the taste and sweetness of the ingredients has been extracted into the soup. This means that the ingredients themselves will be tasteless and are normally discarded. Let's eat! This is great! The soup is sweet, containing the lovely essence of chicken, scallop, and watercress. The carrot and red dates definitely enhance the flavor. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!